What's up guys, and welcome to Best Car Reviews. I'm Ben, and today instead of doing a car review, we're going to do a little install review. I'm going to be showing you guys how to put these BD trims, raised 3D letters on, in this case, my Chevy Colorado tailgate. You guys can see I got the black carbon with the red outline. Should look pretty sweet. I'll just break down the steps for you guys. Should be a quick and easy install. Let's get started. All right guys, first step is going to be to make sure this area is clean. As you can see, mine is not, because I live in the north and it sucks right now. And we're also minus 40 degrees at the moment, so I have a dedicated walk here to make this video for you. But anyway, so all we're gonna do is clean it off. I just got my regular car wash sponge, and all I have available really is this bottle of car wash liquid, but it'll get the job done. It's the first step. Here we go. Speed up the drying process a little bit. I'm just gonna give it a nice good wipe down. That'll also get maybe any more dirt or grime off there. I'm gonna use this just microfiber cloth, and hopefully speeds things up. As you can see guys, we got this pretty good and clean. It actually kind of looks like a mirror. And you can also see I didn't care to do anything else besides the letters. But we'll give that another minute to dry. I think that looks pretty good, and I'll tell you guys the next step. So when you get your package, guys, from BD Trims, it'll come with these two little alcohol prep wipes. So once that's dry, I'm just gonna take this as a next level of cleaning. The final prep before putting on the actual letters, just wipe that in there really well, right in the crevices, and you'll be ready for install. All right guys, the surface is all prepped, it's ready for install. I'm gonna start throwing the letters on. One thing to note, in the instructions that you get, these letters wanna be at room temperature when you install them. It's very cold outside, so I've had this truck parked inside at work for a couple days to warm it up, and I've had the letters inside too. So that should be all good. When you throw them on there, guys, just take your time, make sure they're lined up. You should dry fit them first, so leave those adhesive backings on and make sure they actually fit, so you know that they're the correct size that you bought. And when you put them on, just apply some pressure for a little bit of time. I'm gonna take my time with it, probably hold it on for longer than I need, but that gives me assurance that I held it on for at least long enough. But let's dive into it. Completed the C, guys, the first letter. Just want to show you what that would look like after one single letter. Looks pretty good. And looking at the video, it took me about 30, 35, 40 seconds to get this on. So, 30 seconds times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or so letters. This is a pretty under 15-minute install in the end. So even taking your time, guys, you can get this done quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the rest of these letters and show what it looks like at the end. All right, guys, here's the final product. Came out really well, super easy. I just took my time. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. I'm digging this black carbon with the red outline. Looks good on the black truck. Give it some color. One thing I'll say, guys, is with this C, it's hard to tell, but one end is actually thicker than the other. This bottom end is thicker than this. It's hard to tell on the actual stamp if that matters, but just keep an eye out for that. And this H can be easy to miss, but this bottom half is thicker, or longer, I should say, than this top. And that actually matters on the stamp. So I had, be aware of that. And same with this O. It's hard to tell, but that bottom is a little thicker than the top, and you can see how it actually goes on there. So just be careful not to put it on upside down. But overall, guys, it came out pretty sharp. There it is, step back. And yeah, good install. As always, guys, thank you for watching this Best Car review. Please subscribe if not already. And next part of this video, next one I'll be putting out, is how to get this sticker off the back. So stay tuned for that one, as I'll be doing that next. But I'll see you on the next Best Car review.